Quality begins at the source. Today, we're taking you into the heart of the papaya grows to see how perfection is handpicked. It all starts in these pristine orchards, where every fruit is monitored for the perfect moment of ripeness. Our workers are trained to identify peak maturity. No machines here, just the human touch to ensure zero bruising. Observe the texture. The skin tells the story of the fruit's health and the care it received during growth. Every single papaya undergoes a rigorous inspection. Only the flawless make the cut. They are nestled into protected crates, ready for their journey while maintaining that just-picked freshness. This dedication to quality control at the source is what sets our harvest apart. Hand-harvesting perfection, because you deserve nothing less than the best.
The journey of a single fruit begins here in the golden light of dawn. Vast plantations stretching toward the horizon where nature meets industry. As the mist clears, the harvest reveals itself. Thousands of ripe fruits ready for the high-speed systems that await them. This is the origin of a complex supply chain, a seamless transition from the fertile earth to the world of automation. Scale is everything. To feed a global population, every acre must be managed with surgical precision. The fruits are now on the move. Next, they enter the machines that will refine, sort, and preserve them. The journey has only just begun.
As the first light of dawn touches the horizon, a golden glow settles over the vast papaya plantations. Here, in the heart of the tropics, thousands of trees stand in perfect harmony, bearing the fruits of nature's labor. Ripe fruits hang heavy, cradled by the morning mist that lingers in the quiet air. This is the birthplace of the papaya journey, a testament to nature's abundance and careful cultivation. The soil, rich and fertile, provides the perfect foundation for these vibrant fruits to flourish. Each papaya is a masterpiece of growth, ripening under the gentle warmth of the rising sun. From the quiet fields to your table, every journey begins with this peaceful morning light. The papaya journey starts here at the break of a new day.
The harvest team begins their day, selecting only the finest papayas. Our workers have years of experience identifying the perfect moment of ripeness by touch. With a gentle twist, each fruit is harvested carefully to prevent any damage to the skin. Every single fruit undergoes a rigorous inspection to meet our exacting quality standards. Look closely at the vibrant hues. This beauty is the result of expert organic care. Once approved, papayas are nestled into crates, organized with precision for freshness. Quality control at the source sets our harvest apart, ensuring a premium experience. From orchard to your hands, our commitment is hand-harvested. Perfection in every crate. The journey of freshness begins at the source. Modern logistics meeting nature's bounty. Every papaya is handled with care, ensuring only the highest quality fruit makes the cut. Precision cold chain preservation starts the moment the doors close. Locked in, our advanced cooling systems maintain the perfect environment from farm to factory. Engines roar to life. The race against time is backed by cutting-edge technology. Navigating rural landscapes with a single mission, preserving nature's perfection. Speed and stability. Our fleet ensures a smooth journey for every crate. A network dedicated to excellence, spanning the distance between the field and your table. Approaching the final destination, where freshness meets processing. Cold chain excellence. From our farms to your factory, guaranteed to our facility. Today, we'll look at our advanced water flume cleaning process for papayas. The process begins as fresh papayas enter our vast water flume channels, designed for maximum efficiency. A powerful yet gentle washing action ensures every piece of fruit is thoroughly cleaned without any damage. Rotating sprays and vigorous bubbles work together to remove surface debris effectively and safely. Our high-grade stainless steel channels maintain the highest standards of hygiene throughout the facility. Impurities and dust are swiftly washed away, leaving only the purest fruit behind for processing. This rigorous cleansing process is essential for meeting our strict safety and premium quality standards. The result is perfectly clean, ready to process papayas that look as good as they taste. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more insights into our hygienic production process. Today, we're looking at our intensive hygiene wash, where technology meets food safety. It begins in our automated washing tunnels, designed for thorough and efficient coverage. Multiple stages of sanitation ensure every papaya is treated with care. Soft rotating brushes remove debris while protecting the delicate fruit. High-pressure jets provide a deep clean, reaching every contour. Each stage is calibrated to meet the highest global food safety standards. The final rinse removes all agents, leaving only pure, clean fruit. The result? Spotless papaya surfaces that look incredibly fresh. Our wash process is our commitment to quality you can trust. Experience the difference of truly clean produce.
Today, we're diving into the heart of papaya processing, the high-speed optical sorting inspection. These advanced machines scan every single fruit with incredible precision, ensuring only the best make it through. Sophisticated sensors analyze size, color, and even the smallest external imperfections in milliseconds. This technology allows for a level of consistency that manual inspection simply can't match. Even hidden defects are identified, preventing damaged fruit from reaching the next stage. Rejected fruits are instantly diverted by these lightning-fast mechanical arms, keeping the main line pure. The result? Massive throughput and a guarantee that every papaya you pack is of premium quality. Automation at this scale is what drives modern, efficient papaya production. Consistent, high-quality fruit every single time. That's the power of optical sorting. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the technology behind your favorite foods.
Is at the heart of everything we do. Today, we're looking at our meticulous selection process for the perfect papayas. Only the finest fruits make the cut. We look for perfect ripeness, color, and texture to ensure the best flavor. For our canning line, we select firm, uniform slices that maintain their integrity and sweetness in every can. For smoothies, we prioritize maximum sweetness and a soft texture, perfect for that refreshing, consistent blend. But what about the rest? Rejected fruits aren't wasted. They're repurposed for other products or used sustainably, ensuring zero waste. From perfect slices to smooth blends, our commitment to quality and sustainability is what sets us apart. High-volume fruit processing. Precision is the key to quality. Today, we look at the art of mechanical peeling. The process begins with perfectly ripe papayas entering our smooth, continuous processing line. Mechanical peelers operate with extreme precision, removing the skin cleanly while leaving the fruit intact. By preserving the flesh, we ensure maximum yield and maintain the integrity of the fruit for production. This automated approach isn't just about speed, it's about consistency and hygiene at every step. Our technology is designed for zero waste, turning every papaya into high-quality ingredients for canning. Whether for canning or smoothie production, the preparation remains flawless and efficient. Precision, speed, and zero waste. That is the standard for modern papaya preparation. To the future of packaging. Today, we're looking at the incredible speed and precision of case packing robots. In modern manufacturing, speed is everything. These spider robots are the heart of a high-efficiency production line. Notice the synchronized movements. Every pick and place is optimized for maximum throughput without sacrificing accuracy. Precision is paramount. These systems ensure that every bottle is placed perfectly every single time. By automating the packing process, we've significantly reduced downtime and boosted our overall capacity. We've seen up to a 30% increase in efficiency, allowing for faster order fulfillment. The result? A seamless flow from the filler to the shipping dock, driven by advanced robotics. It's a perfect blend of high-speed hardware and intelligent software control. Automation is the key to scaling your operations. Contact us to learn how these robots can transform your business. Innovating for a more efficient state-of-the-art facility, where speed meets precision in our rotary bottling line. Every hour, thousands of bottles move seamlessly through our automated system. Our advanced rotary fillers ensure each bottle is filled with the perfect amount of fresh papaya smoothie. Next, robotic capping systems apply the seals with pinpoint accuracy to maintain freshness. Quality is at the heart of everything we do, with multiple automated checks at every stage. This synchronized dance of technology allows us to scale production without compromising quality. We preserve the natural color and nutrients of the papaya in every single drop. The final touch is our precision labeling, readying each bottle for the global market.
By optimizing every second of the process, we deliver maximum efficiency for our partners. Ready for shipment, these smoothies are headed to customers around the world. Experience the future of bottling. Thank you for touring our facility. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the high-efficiency world of industrial papaya pulping. It all begins with perfectly prepped, diced papayas, ready for the extraction phase. The fruit enters our heavy-duty pulpers, where the transformation into rich liquid gold begins. Using powerful centrifugal force, we extract every bit of the nutrient-dense pulp with precision. The result is a smooth, vibrant texture that captures the true essence of the fruit. This pulp flows seamlessly through our automated pipe systems, ensuring zero contamination and maximum freshness. Continuous monitoring ensures that every gallon meets our strict standards for color and viscosity. From the first wash to the final extraction, every step is optimized for quality and speed. This sophisticated process allows us to deliver the finest papaya pulp to our partners worldwide. Efficiency, quality, and vibrant flavor. That's the industrial pulping stage. Today we're looking at the science of texture, specifically the high-pressure homogenization of papaya. In its raw state, fruit mixtures contain particles of varying sizes, leading to uneven consistency and separation. That's where high-pressure technology comes in. These machines use extreme force to refine every drop. By forcing the mixture through a tiny valve at high speed, we break down particles to a micron level. Precision control panels ensure every batch meets exact specifications for texture and stability. This doesn't just improve the feel, it ensures the flavor is perfectly distributed throughout the base. The result is a transformation, a pulpy mixture turned into an ultra-smooth, premium papaya smoothie base. Rigorous quality checks guarantee that every bottle delivers the same silky experience. Homogenization, where engineering meets culinary excellence. Thanks for watching. Today, we're diving into the heart of the production line, the blending and puree creation phase. It all starts here, with these colossal blending tanks designed for maximum efficiency and hygiene. The base is our premium papaya pulp, known for its rich texture and natural sweetness. Precision is key. We monitor every gallon to ensure the perfect consistency for our purees. Inside, giant internal mixers churn the mixture, creating a perfectly smooth and uniform blend. We then introduce other fruit purees, carefully selected to complement the tropical profile of the papaya. This meticulous process guarantees that every batch meets our rigorous quality and taste standards. Once perfectly blended, the puree moves forward through our automated system for final processing. Scaling this process requires advanced technology and a passion for excellence. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the blending floor. Stay tuned for more insights into our state-of-the-art facility, where precision meets speed in our automated canning lines. Every day, thousands of cans move seamlessly through our high-speed filling lines with absolute synchronization. The process begins with the precise dispensing of fresh, perfectly cubed papaya into each passing container. Next, our automated system adds an exact measure of sweet syrup, ensuring consistent quality in every can. Driven by seamless automation, our technology ensures that every portion is handled with pharmaceutical-grade precision. But speed is nothing without quality. Our systems monitor every single can in real time to maintain the highest standards. Our high-speed lines are designed for maximum throughput without compromising on the integrity of the fruit. Lids are applied and sealed in milliseconds, locking in the freshness and flavor of our premium papaya. From raw fruit to a shelf-ready product, the entire journey is a testament to modern industrial engineering. Join us as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in food manufacturing and automation. Meets safety at the sealing and retort sterilization station. Watch as robotic precision ensures a perfect hermetic seal, vital for product longevity and safety. Robotic arms handle the heavy lifting, loading batches into industrial pressurized retorts for the next phase. The massive retort doors seal tight, preparing for the intense steam sterilization cycle ahead. High-pressure steam permeates the chamber, effectively eliminating any potential contaminants. Every second is monitored by advanced sensors to maintain exact pressure and temperature levels. This rigorous process is the backbone of global food safety and shelf life stability. Innovative automation delivering safe products to your table every single day. High-tech agriculture, precision is everything. Witness the revolution in automated processing.
These robotic arms operate with flawless accuracy, scooping seeds with a delicate yet firm touch that human hands cannot match. Observe the synchronized movements. It is a symphony of engineering where every motion is calculated for maximum efficiency. Efficiency is paramount. Our technology ensures zero waste, maximizing yield and protecting your resources. Operating at breakneck speeds, this system redefines throughput, delivering results faster than ever before. Flawless accuracy, synchronized power, and zero waste. This is the future of industrial deseeding. Experience the pinnacle of high-speed operation. Welcome to the new era of
Wondered how large-scale food production achieves such perfect consistency? Today, we're looking at the art of dicing. Processing soft fruits like papaya presents a unique challenge. It requires a delicate touch but industrial speed. Enter the advanced dicing machine. This engineering marvel is designed specifically for high-volume fruit processing. It begins as the papaya halves enter the system. The feed mechanism ensures they are perfectly aligned for the cut. Inside, we see a rhythmic mechanical motion. Advanced blades transform the irregular fruit into uniform shapes instantly. The result is mesmerizing. Cubes flow out, perfectly shaped and ready for packaging with zero waste. This technology ensures hygiene, maximizes yield, and delivers the quality consumers expect in every bite. That is the precision of modern food engineering. Thanks for watching this deep dive into industrial
cutting
dicing.
edge of culinary technology. Today, we demonstrate the art of precision. Guided by advanced laser topography, our blades find the perfect path every time. It's not just about cutting, it's about preserving the integrity of the fruit. With surgical accuracy, the blade separates the halves without bruising or waste. A clean split, the interior remains pristine, vibrant, and ready for presentation. This technology ensures that quality is consistent, from the first cut to the last. Every detail is preserved. The texture, the color, the freshness. Experience the future of fruit processing, consistency at scale, precision slicing and halving, perfection delivered.
Precision is everything. Today, we look at the powerhouse of the warehouse, the palletizing system. Manual palletizing is slow and demanding, but there's a better way to move your product. Meet the robotic palletizer. These massive arms move with powerful precision, stacking cases into perfect layers. Layers are aligned flawlessly every time, ensuring maximum stability during transport. Our systems handle high throughput without ever sacrificing quality or precision. From heavy crates to delicate parcels, the system adapts to your unique product mix. By taking on the heavy lifting, these robots reduce injuries and strain on your team. Reliable and ready to work around the clock, ensuring your production never stops. Investing in automation today means a more efficient and profitable operation tomorrow. Modernize your facility with the ultimate in palletizing technology. Precision in every layer. Modern manufacturing. Automation is powerful, but human oversight remains the gold standard for quality. Expert technicians monitor every pulse of the line, ensuring that technology and human skill move in perfect sync. From glass clarity to seal integrity, nothing escapes the trained eye of our inspection specialists. We constantly verify our digital sensors, combining data precision with human intuition to prevent errors before they happen. It's not just about the machines. It's about how we collaborate with them to achieve unparalleled excellence. This partnership allows for a level of precision that automation alone simply cannot reach. We adapt to real-time data, making critical decisions that keep production smooth and standards high. Technology provides the speed, but it is human intuition that provides the judgment necessary for true quality control. The result is a product you can trust, backed by a legacy of craftsmanship and modern innovation. Human quality oversight, ensuring excellence in every detail. Let's build the future together. Final dispatch. Today we're seeing our premium papaya products head out to the world. Every single product has passed our rigorous quality checks, ensuring only the best reaches our customers. As the day ends, the warehouse doors open to signal the start of our global distribution. Our team is working efficiently to get these shipments moving as the golden hour begins. We track every shipment in real time to guarantee timely delivery, no matter the destination. And they're off. Our products are now on their way, carrying our promise of quality and freshness. From juices to dried snacks, our papaya range is crafted with passion. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We look forward to delivering excellence to your doorstep. Final dispatch, quality delivered.